Good morning and welcome dear students of Patanjali Rishikul. Today we are going to study about verbs. A complete sentence is made up of a subject and a predicate. The main word in a predicate is a verb. Verbs perform different functions. Some verbs show the action of the subject. Some verbs link the subject to the noun or adjective in the predicate. Some verbs also work as helping verbs with main verbs. Action words or action verbs tell what the subject of a sentence does. The action can be physical or mental. That is, an action verb that tells us about an action that can be seen. For example, cry, slap. Or cannot be seen. For example, forget, think. Linking verbs are also called being verbs, do not show action. Instead, they link or join the subject to a word or words in the predicate. Linking verbs tell us what the subject is or is like. For example, she is a girl, she seems happy. Common linking verbs are the forms of the infinite verb to be and to have. The forms of the infinite verbs to be are is, am, are, was, were, shall be, will be, being, and been. The forms of the infinite verb to have are has, have, and had. Other linking verbs are as follows. They look like action verbs but are mostly used as linking verbs. To check the function of such a verb in a sentence, we can interchange it with any to be verb. If the meaning stays the same, then it is a linking verb. For example, the perfume smelled divine. The perfume was divine. Linking verbs or being verbs function as helping verbs in some sentences. For example, Ram is writing a letter. Verbs that are called modal verbs also function as helping verbs. They are as follows. The following are known as common helping verbs. The forms of the to-do verbs do, does, doing, did, done function as main verbs or helping verbs mostly in questions and negative sentences. A helping verb comes before the main verb. A verb phrase may consist of more than one helping verbs. A verb phrase may have a pronoun or an adverb between the helping and main verbs. For example, does she want something? Thank you children. That's all for today. Have a nice day.